Welcome to Crypto Shell, your go-to source for the latest in crypto. This week has been nothing short of a roller coaster in the world of digital currencies, with Bitcoin flipping, new meme coins popping up, and regulatory landscapes shifting. Buckle up, because we're diving right into the heart of the action. First off, Bitcoin. It's been on a wild ride, hitting an all-time high of $109,000 before taking a 7% dip after the DeepSeek AI model launch shook markets. Investors are now wrestling with the implications of AI on employment and economy, causing this volatility. But despite the shakeup, Bitcoin's trajectory is still upward, suggesting there might be more highs in store. Now, let's talk about the Trump effect. The launch of TRUMP and MELANIA tokens has turned heads, with Trump briefly touching a $15 billion in market cap before a sharp 50% drop following MELANIA's debut. These meme coins have not just been a cultural phenomenon, but also brought a surge of activity to the Solana blockchain, pushing Sol transaction fees to new heights. But it's not just about coins. Trump's return with pro-crypto policies, including executive orders and the SEC's new direction post-Gensler, signals a potentially golden era for cryptocurrency in the US. Speaking of the SEC, they've launched a crypto task force aiming to better navigate the crypto universe. This could mean more structured regulations, but also clearer paths for investors. And in the world of institutional adoption, Grayscale's Solana Trust ETF is on the brink of conversion, which could open the floodgates for more traditional investment in Solana. Meanwhile, there's buzz around Ethereum staking for ETFs, which could further legitimize crypto in investment portfolios. Moving to altcoins, Solana has been the star, surpassing 270 this week, thanks to its robust ecosystem and recent upgrades. On the flip side, tokens like XRP and Mantra are either soaring or bracing for token unlocks that could shake or stir their market caps. And don't miss out on Uniswap's V4 upgrade, enhancing liquidity and trading, or QUAI Network's mainnet launch, aiming to solve blockchain interoperability. These are pivotal moments for DeFi and blockchain tech. Lastly, keep an eye on the Federal Open Market Committee meeting. Interest rate decisions could sway the crypto markets dramatically. With the crypto space so intertwined with macroeconomic policies, expect some volatility. That wraps up our dive into this week's crypto news on Crypto Shell. If you found this enlightening, hit that like button, subscribe for more updates, and turn on notifications. Got questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments below. Catch you next time for more crypto insights.